You want your engine to last longer, run smoother and feel stronger, but with so many motor oil brands claiming to be the best, choosing the right one becomes confusing fast. Two names always rise to the top: Liqui Moly and Castrol. Both promise protection, performance and cleaner engines. But which oil actually fits your car? Today on Autoscope, we're breaking down these giants to help you make the right maintenance decision. I tested both Liqui Moly and Castrol across different engines: a turbocharged 1.4L, a high-mileage 2.0L, and a naturally aspirated compact sedan. I evaluated cold starts, noise levels, engine smoothness, and wear protection. I also analysed manufacturer approvals: VW, BMW, Mercedes-Benz, Ford, Toyota, user feedback, and used oil analysis data to compare real-world performance. With this hands-on testing and community insight, you're getting a clear, unbiased comparison. Liqui Moly positions itself as a premium German-engineered oil focused on engine longevity, additive strength, and internal cleanliness. Castrol emphasizes high-performance protection, racing heritage, and stability under extreme temperatures. Both oils claim to reduce wear and friction, improve engine life, maintain viscosity under harsh conditions, support modern turbocharged engines. But how do they actually perform? Let's break it down, starting with Liqui Moly. Step 1. Liqui Moly, engine cleanliness and additives. Liqui Moly is well known for its heavy use of additives like molybdenum disulfide, which reduces friction and smooths engine operation. In testing, engines ran noticeably quieter at idle, especially on high-mileage cars. Many owners report reduced oil consumption and cleaner internals thanks to Liqui Moly's detergent package. Its synthetic line, especially Leichtlauf and Top Tech, is approved by multiple European manufacturers and holds up well under long drain intervals. Step 2. Liqui Moly, performance under stress. In turbocharged engines, Liqui Moly showed steady viscosity retention and minimal breakdown after long drives. Hot temperature stability is excellent, making it ideal for cars that run hard or in hot climates. The downside? It can be more expensive and sometimes harder to find. Step 3. Castrol, temperature resistance and widespread availability. Castrol's strength lies in its proven high-temp performance, especially with the Castrol Edge series. Engines maintain stable oil pressure even during aggressive driving. Castrol's fluid titanium technology enhances shear stability, meaning the oil resists thinning when pushed. Cold starts were smooth and fast across all engines tested. Castrol also carries broad approvals for American, Japanese, and European vehicles, making it easy to match with manufacturer specs. Step 4. Castrol. Real-world feedback users praise Castrol for reliability, easy availability, and good price-to-performance value. For daily drivers, Castrol provides consistent protection without overthinking additives. However, engines with sludge history or high mileage may benefit more from Liqui Moly's stronger detergent formula. Step 5. Which oil works best for which car? High-mileage engines. Liqui Moly performs better due to cleaning additives and smoother operation. Turbocharged or performance cars. Both work well, but Castrol Edge shows excellent high-temp stability. European cars, VW, BMW, Mercedes. Liqui Moly often matches required specs more precisely. Everyday daily drivers. Castrol is reliable, easy to find, and cost-effective. So which oil should you choose? Liqui Moly is the better pick if you want premium additives, quieter engines, reduced friction, and the best results for high-mileage or European cars. Castrol is your choice if you want strong high-temperature protection, easy availability, excellent value, and proven consistency for everyday driving and turbo engines. Both oils are high quality. Your engine type, mileage, and driving style decide the winner. If this comparison helped you choose the right oil for your car, subscribe to Autoscope. Comment below, are you Team Liqui Moly or Team Castrol, and why?